Happy Friendships Day, people. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, and I'm with these little. See, my little friends are on my lap with me. I mean, these two rabbits and three rabbits, in fact. And really, yeah, this YouTube has come to be. You all are my friends, yeah. All the people on YouTube. So, all the ones who are kind enough to watch my videos. So, I just feel that it's nice to just say a big thank you sometimes because. And I always have this thing in my mind that no matter what, I need to record two videos in a day. So that's what I already recorded one, and this is the second video I'm recording. So then it's like a task for the day done. So really, people, it's as crazy as this is. It's just I think YouTube is also all about just commitment, and then from your end, you need to do your best. You may not make Steven Spielberg level of, camera work and photography and all of that, but you just put in your best. That's what is important. So I think that is my mantra. So on this Friendships Day, thank you, people. It's been such a nice association. It's been almost 2.5 years. Yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.